Imagine being able to be pain-free without numbness tingling to your arms or to your legs. I help and enable people like you with families like yours to be able to live longer in this planet. At this time, I want to ask you permission to help you. The choice is yours.
My name's Maria Avila. I came to MedWell because I wasn't able to walk properly. I had a lot of pain. And I travel an hour and a half from Atlantic City to get here because back home I have not been able to get the right therapy that's going to help me. And my legs are getting better, stronger. I feel a lot better. So I encourage anybody to come here at MedWell and get themselves straight and get your life back.
I'm Donna O'Connor, and I have been coming to MedWell, and I had peripheral neuropathy in my arms and my legs and my feet, and I am overjoyed to tell everybody I no longer have neuropathy in my legs or my arms or my feet. I was so limited before, and with stairs, outside walking, just every day. It was horrible. And it's gone now. I am overjoyed. I love Dr. Mahwah. I love his staff. I am so happy with MedWell. Thank you so much.
Good morning. My name is Sheriff Michael Sordino, Bergen County Sheriff, and I'm here this morning to thank Dr. Mahwah and the whole MedWell staff for all they do.
Hi, I'm Passaic County Sheriff Richard Bergen, and I encourage everyone to come to MedWell. The treatment here is fantastic. The staff is wonderful. And if you want to get better, this is the place to be.
How old are you?
100.
100 years old. He's here for knee pain.
And I don't have it anymore.
You don't have it anymore?
No. I can go up and down the stairs now.
Wow.
How many shots did I get now? Is the second one?
Second one today.
Boy, when I get 4, I'll be running.
That's what we're hoping for.
I'll be running.
What are you waiting for? 100 years old. This treatment works.
My name is Sue. I come from Long Island. I want to thank the MedWell staff for a phenomenal improvement. I came here not being able to walk stairs, not being able to go food shopping, with the assistance of the staff, and now I've taken my first Eflexa shot. My knee is improved tremendously. I couldn't walk. I'm just so thrilled that I came here and that there's finally something other than surgery that can make me walk again. Thank you, the MedWell staff, a million times over.
My name is Frank Osmond, and I come to MedWell with neuropathy and the pain in my right leg. Since I've been here, the pain in my right leg's gone completely, and I'm down to about on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm down to about a 3 on my neuropathy. They have changed my life considerably, and I'm really happy with the results.
After a week and a half with the sort of therapy devoted to your feet, I have none of the symptoms. None. I mean none. I'm only agreeing to do this because it works so well, because I don't like to do this. I don't like to give testimonials, and I don't like to watch them, because you'll find out for yourself. And I just want to thank MedWell because their system works.
It's an unbelievable place. I travel an hour and a half to get here, and I'm a new person when I leave.
My name is David Juris. Today is the second day I've been here, but yesterday I had a P-stem put on my ear, and for the first time in 7 years, I slept last night with no pain in my legs, which is absolutely amazing. So this is, without question, the place to go.
My name is Deborah Gazdak. This morning I came into MedWell on a walker. Tremendous pain in my knee. I asked to speak to somebody. I was immediately helped, and I was given an injection for my sciatic nerve, and I couldn't believe it. I folded up my walker, and I walked out of the room without it.
Hi, my name is Dirchin Siram. I came all the way from New York to MedWell for the hyaluronic injection, because before that my knees hurt so bad I could hardly walk. And since I take the hyaluronic shot, I could run, I could jump, I could practice my martial arts. So I have to say thank you to MedWell. to make this possible for me.
I had a neuropathy in my feet, very bad. Not the diabetes one, but the other one. And my knees were so bad, I couldn't even walk up the steps in my daughter's home. And now I can walk up the steps much, much better. I feel 100 times better than I did before I came here. You have been wonderful. Everybody's great in here, and the place is run very, very professional.
My name is Diane LaBanca. I come here from Missouri to get help with my back and my sleep. I was only sleeping a couple hours a night, and I wanted to get off my sleeping medicine and come here to get help. My back is better, and I'm wearing this P-stem, which has helped with sleep, and last night I slept 5.5 hours, and I'm feeling a lot better all the way around, and I wanted to say thank you, MedWell.
I've tried all kinds of other places, in fact 3 of them, for quite a while, regarding my feet, my neuropathy, and my back problems, and it seems that this is the only place that I've found so far that has hit all the spots that I need to be taken care of.
The treatments have helped me very much, and I feel really excited about the improvements that I've had. Everybody here is so nice and friendly. They explain all of their treatments, and I can see the net results of their treatment. Thank you, MedWell. It's been great.
I've come to MedWell to help me out with my neuropathy in my feet. I've had several visits. I like what they do. It helps me a lot. I have a long way to go, but I'm on my way.
I came in with burning and tingling and numbness in my feet, and I was very thankful that they were able to give me a diagnosis of peripheral neuropathy. I have been being treated with laser therapy, vibration, and physical therapy, and it's only been 2 weeks, and I do feel a difference already.
About 80% of my pain is probably gone now. Their massage people are excellent, and the different apparatus that they use are very, very helpful, and people are pleasant as well. So I intend to continue here, but there is a decided difference, and I'm a happy camper.
I come to MedWell because I have trouble with my feet and my legs. I have severe arthritis and ruptured tendons in my foot. My foot was triple the size with the swelling, and it's gone down. And this is my 8th or 9th visit, and I'm very well pleased with the staff and the help. Thank you, MedWell.
I came here feeling awful, and that doesn't even describe it. If I could say I thought it was hell, I would say that. Now I feel great. I have 2 days with no pain, and you guys are, if I could say, you're angels from heaven. I definitely would say that, because I feel great.
After the exercises and the treatments and the program, I've seen 100% difference. My back, I'm able to move around, I work in retail, I'm standing, I'm able to do a lot more things because of MedWell. Come and get yourself fixed.
I've had a few injections in my knees, and I feel 100% better. I've been doing this now I've had knee pain for over 3 years, and I feel so much better, so I'm excited about continuing my treatments.
I came to MedWell with severe carpal tunnel syndrome. I've been having the red light treatments and some other physical therapy, and I'm happy to say that my hands are at least 60-70% better.
I'm coming to MedWell. I'm actually living a pain-free life. I'm able to do the things I wasn't able to do before, and it's great. Thank you, MedWell.
After I came to MedWell, after 1 visit, honestly, I felt so much better in the evening. After 1 visit, as he says, I'm smiling, and I see I'm walking better. My shoulder, my neck doesn't hurt the way, because I had constant pain on my neck and shoulder here, my ear around my ear, and I don't feel that I have more mobility in my neck.
I've come to MedWell and visited Dr. Mahwah. He's put me through a series of injections in my left knee. I've only had 1 so far, and the results were amazing.
Dr. Mahwah, an incredible man, a man of integrity. I highly recommend you make sure you find out what he's doing, where he is. Follow the link in this, and thank you, Dr. Mahwah.
I have to say that at this time, I could sleep all night, through the night, without pain meds. I don't use the cane. I just can't believe the difference between my condition when I came in and today.
So far I've gotten 4
shots, and I have less pain in my knee. I can go up and down the stairs, and I'm very happy with the treatment.
I am receiving the best treatment ever. Everybody here is great. I get the best hands-on, and I couldn't be any happier.
It was amazing. Dr. Mahwah was able to not only help me with my neuropathy, my restless leg syndrome, but also I was having sleep problems. And he was able to trace the problem and treat it from the source and relieved me of so much discomfort and sleeplessness.
I've been coming to MedWell now for a couple of months because I was having problems with my thighs and my back. Thank God I feel much better today. I've gotten rid of a lot of the pain. I've lost 20 pounds. I hope to lose another 5 more. I've stopped smoking, and my diet has changed tremendously.
I'm happy to say that I've been to MedWell and still at MedWell, and they have done one fantastic job.
I've been in excruciating pain for a couple of years, not sleeping at night, and crying in my sleep, and I've been here 7 visits, and now I'm just about pain-free, and I just want to thank MedWell.
Imagine living life with no more aches and pains, numbness tingling to your arms or to your legs, ending your years of frustration with chronic neck or back pain, disc herniation, pinched nerves, migraines, being fatigued every day and all day, stopping your neuropathy symptoms, restless legs, sleep difficulty, and being tired. My name is Dr. Mahwah from MedWell Spine and Neuropathy Center. I'm also the author of this book, How to Live Pain-Free and Happy, Drug-Free, Non-Invasive, and Non-Surgical Steps for Resolving Chronic Neck or Back Pain, Neuropathy, Restless Legs, Chronic Pain, Fibromyalgia, and other chronic conditions. What makes us unique is that our doctors and therapists work together to make a special, customized care plan that is painless, drug-free, non-invasive, and non-surgical. Most of our patients that come to see us have gone to physical therapists, chiropractors, had surgery and nothing helped, and we fixed their problem.
I have my life back. I can do more physical things that I could not do without lifting something and be in tears, really. And since coming to MedWell, all of that has changed. With no medication, with no pills, and that's what I was looking for.
They provide a special spinal decompression that assists me with my lower back pain, and what basically you do is lay on a bed where the spine decompression machine stretches your lower back, stretch my discs, and aligns them to that level.
I just hope that I can walk without a cane, a walker, and holding on, which I do now, but at one time I couldn't even do that. So this place has made a big difference.
We love our job. Everyday patients come to MedWell in pain, and we get to make a difference in their lives. We found in most cases we are able to relieve pain without pills, without shots, and without surgery. Not only alleviating your pain, eliminating it altogether. You find the difference at MedWell in 3 folds. First is education. You have to know what you have done to yourself so that we can work together to get rid of it. Second is personal attention. We treat every person like they're the only person in this world. And the last is our customized treatment regimen for you that we believe is second to none. We have state-of-the-art, cutting-edge diagnostic and therapeutic services provided to you on site.
It's so very unique. I mean, the oxygen treatment, the exercise, the balancing treatment, laser pain relief, it is wonderful. Thank you, MedWell, and thank you, Dr. Mahwah.
Give us a call and see how you can be helped and make a difference in your life.